In this video, I will show you how to create animations in PowerPoint. We'll be using a car model that looks like it is moving along a racetrack. First, go to the Insert menu. Click on 3D Models and select a car model that you like. Once the car is inserted, reduce the size and position it on your slide. This will be your starting point on the track. Next, copy and duplicate the car multiple times. Arrange each duplicate along the track to represent different positions and angles of movement. Now, select the first car. Go to the Animations tab and apply the Appear animation. Then click on Add Animation to include more effects. Add a motion path animation and adjust it to follow the direction of the track. After that, add another animation, which is Disappear. Now move to the second car. Apply the same sequence of animations: Appear, Motion Path, and Disappear. Repeat this process for all the remaining car duplicates until each one has the same 3 animations. Next, use the animation pane to control the sequence and timing. For the first car, set the Appear animation to Start on Click. Set the motion path to Start with Previous. Now adjust the speed. Click on the motion path animation in the pane, go to Timing, and set the duration to 3 seconds for a slow movement. Then set the Disappear animation to Start after Previous. For the second car, set the Appear animation to Start with Previous. Then set both the Motion Path and Disappear animations to Start after Previous. The same timing was employed for all animations. Repeat this pattern for the remaining cars. This creates a continuous flow that makes the car appear to move smoothly around the track. And that's it. You now understand how to apply multiple animations to a single object in PowerPoint using the Add Animation option. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials.